پژوهش باستانسنجی.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Alexander Nagel. I'm a PhD. I get my PhD and worked on Persepolis, Jamshid here in Iran since 2006. A site that I love very much, and I want to congratulate actually Iran also in preserving this beautiful site for people around the world. I became interested in the pigments, in the colors of Persepolis about 12 years ago, and since then I was able to work with my colleagues in Jamshid, conservation scientists. They helped me to invite international colleagues from Germany to go to the site and to look for colors like blue. We have red ochre on some of the facades still preserved, and many people actually already for 150 years have briefly looked at some of the pigments, but no one had done a kind of a synthesis of the pigments that are found there. So I became more and more curious about how did Persepolis look like when the original colors were attached to it. We know that there was gilding on monuments. We know that there were extra layers and extra attachments made out of lapis, made out of metal. So polychromy, what I work on, is bringing together all of the different materials and pigments to understand how Persepolis looked like. I was able to do some work on collections in Tehran and in Shush, in Susa, at the other major Achaemenid palaces, and in Pasargad, because many wall painting fragments from the Pasargad excavations ended in museums around the world, and where we can do some in detail analysis. I think here this conference now at Tabriz Islamic Art University has helped me to get a better idea about what Iranian students also currently work on, what colleagues, professionals, of which there are so many here in Iran, work on at the moment on archaeometry. And it is my greatest wish also that we can continue to have a dialogue. For instance, the Journal of Research on Archaeometry that is produced here at Tabriz Islamic Art Museum is a very good step actually to do outreach to the public, to make the public more aware of what archaeometry can do. Archaeometry has been coming under different names, under the hard sciences or the exact sciences, one can say, under different names. So we call it now archaeometry. We measure ancient things, but people have done this always. And Iran, the Persians here in madrasas, in Islamic schools have already actually done a lot of work, and it is my hope also that we can continue on this tradition, work on more international collaborations also with my German colleagues. So this is a good chance, and I hope that everybody will come back in 2018 for the Tabriz year of when Tabriz has a special honor to be Islamic cultural city, and then there will be a major conference here, so I hope that everybody comes back then.
Journal of Research on Archaeometry.